under caution for the third time today for the incident between Matt Mills and Connor Jones. NASCAR just announcing Connor Jones in the 66, a 2-lap penalty. You see it there for reckless driving and for intentionally wrecking Matt Mills.
Yeah, not only, as we're going to take another look at, you see the 66 running in the back of Matt Mills. Not only can NASCAR see this video, they also heard his radio communication that we listened to as well. So
I believe I'd park him.
I believe I'd just tell him to take it on to the garage. There's no call. There's no reason for that in this sport. People spend too much money, spend too much time, too much effort to just take somebody out like that.